Hey, what's up everybody? It's Kareem. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by the idea of investing? Do you dream of building financial security but don't know where to start? You're not alone. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 simple yet powerful investing strategies that are perfect for beginners like you. These strategies are straightforward, easy to understand, and can be implemented right away. We're talking about building a solid foundation for your financial future, step by step. Whether you have $5 or $5,000 to invest, these strategies will help you get started on the right track. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and start building wealth, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with a strategy that's perfect for anyone who thinks investing is only for the wealthy. Micro-investing proves you don't need a ton of money to start building a portfolio. You can get started with just a few bucks. Think about it. How many times have you bought a coffee or a snack that cost you just a few dollars? With micro-investing, you can take those small amounts and put them to work in the market. There are apps designed specifically for micro-investing. You connect the app to your bank account, and every time you make a purchase, the app rounds up your transaction to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. It might not seem like much at first, but these small amounts really add up over time, especially with the power of compound growth. Plus, micro-investing takes the emotion out of investing. You're consistently investing small amounts regardless of what the market is doing. One of the biggest benefits of micro-investing is that it helps you build a consistent investing habit. And trust me, consistency is key when it comes to building wealth. By micro-investing regularly, you're making investing a regular part of your routine. These apps are designed to be super user-friendly, even if you've never invested before. They make it easy to get started and stay on track with your financial goals. Micro-investing is a fantastic starting point, especially if you're new to investing or don't have a lot of money to invest up front. As you start earning more, you can explore other strategies and increase your investment amounts. But the key takeaway here is that you don't need to wait to start investing. With micro-investing, you can start building your financial future today, one small investment at a time. Alright, let's move on to our next strategy, which is all about spreading your money wisely and not putting all your eggs in one basket. We're talking about index funds, one of the most powerful tools in a beginner investor's toolkit. An index fund is like a big basket of stocks that tracks a specific market index, like the S&P 500. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, you're investing in a diversified portfolio of companies with just one purchase. Think of it like using a pre-made cake mix instead of measuring out each ingredient yourself. Index funds take the guesswork out of investing and make it easy to build a diversified portfolio. They're designed to match the performance of the market they track. So, if the S&P 500 goes up by 10%, your index fund is also designed to go up by roughly 10%. Diversification is all about managing risk. When you diversify your investments, you're spreading your money across different asset classes, industries, and companies. This means that if one investment doesn't do well, it won't have a devastating impact on your entire portfolio. Index funds are also incredibly cost-effective. Because they're passively managed, they have much lower fees compared to actively managed funds. And those lower fees can make a big difference in your returns over time. So, if you're looking for a simple, low-cost, and effective way to invest in the stock market, index funds are an excellent option. They're like the set-it-and-forget-it investment strategy that can help you build wealth over the long term. Diversification helps you weather market storms and come out stronger on the other side. Index funds are a great way to achieve that. Now let's talk about a strategy that takes all the guesswork out of investing and puts you in the driver's seat with a little help from technology. We're talking about Robo-Advisors, the future of investing. These automated platforms are like having a personal financial advisor at your fingertips, but without the high fees. A robo-advisor is an online platform that uses algorithms to manage your investments based on your risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon. You sign up for an account, answer a few questions, and the robo-advisor takes it from there. It automatically builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you, rebalances it as needed, and even reinvests your dividends. One of the biggest advantages of robo-advisors is their low cost. Traditional financial advisors typically charge a percentage of your assets under management, which can eat into your returns. Robo-advisors charge a much lower fee, usually a small percentage of your account balance or a flat monthly fee. This makes them a much more affordable option for investors of all sizes. Robo-Advisors are incredibly user-friendly. Even if you've never invested before, you can easily navigate their platforms and understand what's happening with your money. They provide clear and concise explanations of your portfolio, performance, and fees. Robo-Advisors use sophisticated algorithms to create a personalized investment plan tailored to your specific needs. They constantly monitor the markets and make adjustments to your portfolio as needed. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Robo-Advisors offer a convenient, affordable, and effective way to invest your money. Let's face it, one of the biggest fears people have about investing is market volatility. The stock market can go up and down like a roller coaster, and it's easy to get. It's a strategy that can benefit investors of all levels. All right, let's talk about the future, specifically your financial future. Retirement might seem like a lifetime away, but it sneaks up on you faster than you think. That's why it's so important to start planning for retirement early. And that's where retirement accounts come in, specifically 401(k)s and IRAs. A 401(k) is a retirement savings plan sponsored by your employer. It allows you to contribute a portion of your paycheck before taxes are taken out, which means you get an immediate tax break. Plus, many employers offer a matching contribution, which is essentially free money. An IRA, or individual retirement account, is another type of retirement account that you can open on your own. There are two main types of IRAs, traditional and Roth. With a traditional IRA, your contributions may be tax deductible, meaning you don't pay taxes on that money until you withdraw it in retirement. With a Roth IRA, your contributions aren't tax deductible, but your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to the power of compound interest. Even if you can only afford to contribute a small amount to your retirement account each month, it's better than nothing. Over time, those small contributions can add up to a significant nest egg. Retirement accounts are one of the most powerful tools you have to build wealth and secure your financial future. So don't wait. Start planning for retirement today. And remember, you got this.